So here's a quick look at the attachments that come with the mixer. You have the whisk, you have the dough hook, and then you have the batter paddle. So it is a multi-use mixer. And here is the little button on the side that you use to pull the mixer up and also push it down. And then also the suction cups that are on the bottom, which keeps it staying in place no matter how hard it is whisking away. It's not going to topple over, it's not going to go anywhere, and it's going to sit on your counter absolutely beautifully. And this is the removable panel on the top where you can put the blender. I love that it has so many different functions. It's not just a mixer, it is a blender. And then also this is the front panel that comes off in order to use the grinder. So there is also a meat grinder attachment. I love how many attachments that this blender comes with. You don't have to buy anything extra. So now I'm going to use this mixer to bake a loaf of bread. So I am putting in my water, honey, and yeast and mixing that real quick and letting it bloom until it is foamy. And then I'm gonna start slowly adding the flour. This is why I love this bowl cover. It is a splatter guard, so my flour isn't going everywhere. So I'm gonna slowly add that flour in a little bit at a time until a shaggy dough ball forms. And then I'm gonna speed this baby up after I've added a little bit more flour and just let it knead. Something that's really great is the timer on the side, so I can see exactly how long it has been running. So I know I need to knead this dough for about 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna let it run until that timer hits 5. Now I had a beautiful soft ball of dough and I want to prove it. So I'm going to use the proving function. So I'm going to set that dial to the ferment and let it go with a towel over top. It creates heat for fast proving. And this is the finished product after it's all baked and out of the oven. Also, can we talk about the color? This is such a sleek color. It's the green with the gold copper, which is actually one of my favorite color combinations. It looks amazing in the kitchen. It's sleek, it's beautiful, it's not an eyesore, and I don't mind having it out on my countertop at all. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And when you're looking for a multi-purpose stand mixer that can do absolutely anything you throw at it, I really hope you enjoy this.
The HOWORK stand mixer features a 9.5 quart steel bowl that's larger than most on the market. It also features a high quality 800 watt 10 speed pure copper motor mixer. The powerful motor offers durability and a more stable mixing experience. The 10 speed feature allows customization to the required recipe. Powerful enough for thick doughs and batter, and gentle enough for the most delicate concoctions. This mixer has a beautiful and sleek design made of high-quality, long-lasting metal. The metal body ensures to stand the test of time and match any decor. The safety protection feature prevents both overheating and overloading. The tilt head design allows access to install and uninstall the mixing bowl effortlessly for easy loading and cleaning. The power LED light is both functional and beautiful.
Your creativity in the kitchen with the HOWORK stand mixer. With a large capacity 8.5 quart stainless steel bowl, this stand mixer stands up to any baking challenge. The HOWORK mixer comes equipped with a beater, dough hook, and whisk, and 6 speed controls to allow you to make perfect cakes, breads, biscuits, pastries, muffins, waffles, and more every time, and is power-packed with features like splash guards to help minimize kitchen cleanup, and a bottom suction cup designed to ensure safety and ease of use. We've even crafted our accessories to be conveniently machine washable. Save time and effort and enjoy incredible results in the kitchen with the HOWORK stand mixer.